In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively insert JavaScript into your Google site. This is a useful skill to enhance the functionality and interactivity of your web pages. Whether you're looking to add a dynamic element, integrate third-party widgets, or create a more engaging experience for your visitors, embedding JavaScript can be a great solution. So let's dive right into the process and make this task as simple as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Google site. If you haven't already set one up, you'll want to do so by going to sites.google.com and either logging into your account or creating a new site. Once you're on your Google site, you'll want to be in the editing mode. This is crucial as you'll need access to the various tools and settings available to modify your site. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to insert your JavaScript. The key to incorporating JavaScript into your Google site is to utilize the embed option. This feature allows you to integrate external content and functionality into your pages seamlessly. Begin by locating and selecting the Insert tab in the right-hand panel of the editor. This tab houses a variety of options for adding content to your site, but for our purpose, we'll focus on embedding. Within the Insert menu, click on Embed. This will give you two choices, by URL and embed code. Since we're dealing with JavaScript code, you'll want to click on Embed Code. This option allows you to directly input code snippets into your Google site. In the pop-up window that appears, there's a text box. This is where you'll be pasting your JavaScript code. Before you proceed, a quick tip. Ensure that your JavaScript code is clean and free from errors. Even a small mistake in the code could result in functionality issues or prevent the script from running altogether. If you're bringing in third-party JavaScript, double-check its source and compatibility to ensure it won't adversely affect your site's performance or security. After you've pasted the code into the text box, click on the Next button, followed by Insert. Your JavaScript code is now embedded on your Google site. You can resize or reposition the embedded content as needed to fit your design aesthetics. Remember, it's always good practice to publish changes to preview how everything looks and functions on the live site. And voila, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully added JavaScript to your Google site. This simple yet effective process can open up a world of possibilities for customizing your site and enhancing user interaction. Remember, experimenting with different scripts can lead to powerful and creative functionalities. So don't hesitate to explore and see what you can achieve with JavaScript. Happy coding!